While world leaders make official statements and diplomatic gestures, ordinary civilians are literally putting their lives on the line in the Mediterranean Sea. And guess what? They're being attacked by drones for trying to deliver baby formula and other aid to starving children. Meet the Global Sumud Flotilla. Over 50 boats, 40-plus countries, carrying Greta Thunberg, Nelson Mandela's grandson, doctors, teachers, grandmothers. What's their crime? Trying to break a siege that's starving 2 million people. Well, probably less than 2 million left now. But here's what's absolutely mind-blowing. They're facing drone attacks, communication jamming, and explosions in international waters, and that's a war crime. And the attackers, they're playing ABBA music while dropping bombs. I'm not making this up.
We are currently on the Alma, and we have sighted 15 to 16 drones. Where this is coming from the south, but other vessels are experiencing the same thing.
And now comes the propaganda playbook. Israel's calling them Hamas supporters and claiming the flotilla is organized by Hamas.
Just to give you the perspective. So it is not a real humanitarian aid convey. It is a provocation, political one, organized by Hamas, aimed to support Hamas.
So let me get this straight. Greta Thunberg is Hamas. Nelson Mandela's grandson is a terrorist. Members of parliament from 45 countries are all Hamas operatives. They're so desperate to justify attacking civilians delivering medicine that they're using the same playbook. Anyone who challenges them gets labeled as Hamas supporters. It's the same genocidal propaganda they deploy daily against Palestinians. The same playbook every time. You're either Hamas, a Hamas supporter, a terror supporter, or anti-Semitic. So where are the governments? Where are the Muslim nations with their billions of dollars? Where's their navies? Are they setting sail? Well, they're too busy. Busy meeting with Trump, like school children called to the principal's office.
Thank you. Well, Mr. President, if you don't mind, on behalf of everyone, first of all, thank you very much for hosting such an important meeting at such an important time. I think I will just make it very brief. The only reason we are here is to stop the war and bring the hostages back. And we count on you and your leadership as well to end this war and to help the people of Gaza. The situation is very, very, very bad there. So we are here to meet and to do everything we can to stop this war and to bring the hostages back. So once again, Mr. President, thank you very much for hosting everybody.
Well, and also great speech you made today.
That's right. Saudi Arabia, UAE, Qatar, Egypt, Jordan, Turkey, Indonesia, Pakistan, all summoned to discuss ending the Gaza war. What has all that discussion achieved for the past 2 years? Let that sink in. The US has vetoed every single resolution supporting Palestinian rights, and these Muslim leaders are sitting with Trump as if he's suddenly going to end the war that he's been enabling. But while civilians dodge drones trying to deliver baby formula and food, these rulers are in boardrooms making deals with America, Israel's biggest partner in crime. Meanwhile, the West offers symbolic gestures. We recognize Palestine, great. Now recognize the genocide. We condemn the violence, cool. Now stop sending the weapons. Spain and Italy sent naval protection, and that's just to rescue these civilians if they get attacked. Think about this. While 57 Muslim countries do absolutely nothing, a Swedish activist and a bunch of ordinary people are sailing into a war zone with baby formula and medicine. Israel offered to inspect their aid in Cyprus, Greece, anywhere else. The flotilla said no. Why? Because this isn't just about delivering 15 trucks worth of supplies. This is about breaking a siege. This is about saying enough when governments won't. History will remember who stood up when it mattered. It won't be the politicians. It won't be the armies. It'll be ordinary people risking everything while the world scrolled through their phones. The question is, which side of history are you on? Subscribe to The Balanced Narrative to hear more news.
يا رحمن ساعدني يا رحمن اشرح صدري قرآن املأ قلبي